Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use ShortMax app. So now let's open the application and I'm going to show you what's inside the app. So guys, stay tuned as we go through the features. So for the first one is here down below you will have a discover. So from here guys, you will have multiple movies that you can watch. And if we scroll down, we will have here multiple categories as well. And if you want to search more movies, you can just simply tap on the search button over here and you'll be able to search a specific movie. And down below, you should be able to see here the trending movies as well. And when we go back to the homepage, guys, we should be able to see here down below shorts, which you will see here multiple random shorts that are available. Or you can go for my list. This is where you will see your collection and your recently watched shorts. And now guys, when we go to the profile, we should be able to see here your wallet and the rewards that you can get by having a daily check-in or doing these tasks over here to get more coins. And guys, if you want to unlock a premium account, you can just simply click on subscribe now. So guys, from here, you can choose two options. You can do for weekly pass pro or annual pass pro. So it will be depending on you. And down below, you should be able to see here the features that they have if you avail the premium account. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching.